Yes, hello everyone. So again, I'm talking about this book, which is of Sudha Murthy, and the title is "How I Taught My Grandmother to Read in Other Stories." There's a chapter in this book that, whose name is "Doing What You Like Is Freedom." Doing what you like is freedom. In this chapter, she just told us about what is the actual meaning of freedom and what the freedom actual does. So there are two parts in this whole chapter. Doing what you like is freedom. So actually, she was traveling by train from Bangalore to Belgaum, and there she met a family, and who was very sophisticated. Actually, he they have only one son, and whose name was Puneet, and they are just imposing their ideas and opinions on him that he will become a doctor and like that, and he will do this, he will do that. They are just imposing their ideas on Puneet. Puneet is the boy who is her only son, and when Sudhamurti sit in the next compartment, there he find another boy whose name was Sharad. Yes. So Sharad is totally opposite to Puneet. His family is totally opposite to Puneet. He has freedom. Who? Sharad. Sharad has a freedom, while Puneet doesn't have any freedom of taking any of the decision. So Sudhamurti is saying that through this chapter that Puneet is unable to take any decision. Puneet will never be a confident person because of his parents are imposing their ideas and opinions on him. They decided he should become a doctor. है ना? They don't want to take his opinions. They are just imposing their thoughts and dreams, right? While Sharad is a boy whose father is a postman and his mother is a school teacher, and they came from a village near Kolar. But he has a freedom. He is traveling alone, and Sharad and Puneet, they both got selected in medical college, which is in Belgaum, है ना? Which is in Belgaum. So Sharad was traveling alone, and seriously, he was very very confident enough that he said that his parents have sacrificed a lot and they have taken a bank loan. So still he is confident that he will repay the loan once he started working. But in case of Puneet, he is underconfident. And he is not that much confident. And according to Sudhamurti, he will never be confident. He will never be a confident person. So that is how he just explained how freedom is important, how freedom works. So I just request all the parents that don't impose things on your child. First of all, take their opinions, take their ideas, what they are thinking, what they want to become. Try to understand those things, and then decide what is right and what is wrong. And so I hope you understand this chapter, and thank you so much. And again, I'll say, just go through this book, How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories, which is written by Sudha Murthy. It is really fantastic book I ever seen. So I'll go each and every book of Sudha Murthy. This is my first book. Thank you, everyone.